It is 65 days until the Bitcoin halving. We've only got a limited amount of time to be stacking our bags. Now, a lot of us do become quite married to our bags. The more that we build up a bag, the more we go tunnel vision on it. So in today's video, I'm going to give you 5 coins that I've been keeping a close eye on that all of you guys need to be adding to your watch list. You guys can make the decision whether or not you want to be getting in or out of these coins. Time is limited for you guys to be making these decisions. So let's find out exactly what coins I am adding to my bags today. But before we do get into that, make sure all of you guys are subscribed. And if you want the full list to over 20 coins that we have been accumulating, go and check out the Patreon. It's only $9.99 and I'm adding new picks to that every single week. Let's get into the video, gang. Now, I know a lot of you guys, similar to myself, have the attention span of a tomato. So what we're going to do today is we're going to find out what crypto we're adding to our bag, what problem they're solving, and then on top of that, the price, whether or not today is a good time to be getting in. Let's get into it. Number 1 is Quant, a channel favorite, guys. We haven't covered Quant on this channel for a very long time, but we covered it all of summer. I told you guys to be buying from $80. I told you at 90, I told you at 100. I told you that we're not getting the $40 anymore. And a lot of people, they wanted to wait. How did that go for you? You guys can let me know. Foundation of blockchain economy. They are trying to bridge enterprises through their Overledger platform into blockchain. So they want to unlock benefits for everybody, whether that be assets, currencies, carbon credits. Everything can be tokenized on the blockchain via Quant. Guys, is Quant at a good buy level today? Let's have a look. So we come back to the old faithful chart that we've charted a very long time ago. And if you're new to the channel, then obviously you guys would not know what we've been through over the summer, guys. But if you're new, no worries, because we are getting entry again. We actually got this entry a couple of days ago, guys, and I don't know why this is here, but look, you can see we've got a 52% run to the biggest level of resistance, and we actually traded all of this as well. It is one of our margin trades that we hit over on the Patreon. So again, I don't cover all of them on YouTube, and that's why it's been quite repetitive on YouTube, but I'm letting you guys know for free that we are back at our entry. I mean, we're 3% over it. We wanted to get that $100, guys. Are you going to act now? Are you going to be twiddling your thumbs? Let me know in the comments. Are you in Quant? Are you out? Because right now we are back at this major level of accumulation. I will be acting today. That is coin number 1. Now, guys, I told you it's going to be a speed run. What is coin number 2? Boom. Coin number 2, Casper. Casper, super bullish on Casper. Again, I let all the Patrons know a few days ago that we're getting back into Casper and we are trading the breakout. Right now, the breakout trade is going very nice. Casper, layer 1, fastest open source, decentralized, fully scalable layer 1 in the world. And again, this I think is going to be one of the top performing, if not the top performing layer 1 in the next run, guys. And we've already started it. I mean, we're nearly 10x up from the bottom, and when we first covered Casper, we were saying get it at 2 cents over in the Discord. So again, a lot of us, if you've added it to your portfolio, we're already up like 800%. Our Casper bag it's looking so nice. Now, does that mean that the gains are over? It does not mean that the gains are over, guys. In fact, the gains have just begun. Now, I alerted everybody a couple of days ago that I would be entering right here. We hadn't even broken out yet. I said to everyone, let's enter. And now we are making our way up. And I'm not going to tell you guys the targets. You guys can go and check out the Patreon for that. It's a hard shield today, it seems like. But Casper, I think, is going to have an immense leg up. You know, we're going to be in the dollar region plus, I think, at the peak of the bull run. That's going to be like 50, 100x gains, depending on where you got in. But Casper, if you're not in on Casper, I do think like a 10x to $100, a 10x to $1 is definitely on the cards, guys. Like I said, I have entered another bag at around this 11 cents, guys. So Casper is my number 2 pick. Layer 1, probably going to be the highest performing layer 1 of the next run. Let me know what you guys think of Casper in the comments. Number 3, what happened to the AI narrative? Now, I know a lot of people have mixed opinions on whether GRT, the graph, actually does fall under AI. It does fall under AI, as much as it may not be the most AI-based project, but access to the world's blockchain data. So it's going to be AI and data, guys. You can build faster, 100% less servers. You can spend 60 to 98% less a month on building these servers, and it is a lot more resilient than a lot of the other blockchains. It's not going to go down on you like Solana did a couple of days ago. And again, if you guys want to be doing more research into this, I'll leave a link to all of the official websites in the comments, guys, or in the description section, should I say. But subgraphs, they're open APIs on the graph that organize and serve blockchain data to applications. What is GRT doing today? Now, guys, a freebie for all of you. This is one of the trades over on the Patreon, and it looks like we're coming back to our entry. We found a massive level of support here, and we've been riding it up. So until we lose this support, Lex Money is not panicking, and if anything, we will be entering again very, very soon for GRT. I've got a lot of bags packed all around this area here, and I think this is going to be one that does head into the dollar region as well, guys. The AI narrative is going to come back. GRT falls under the AI narrative, and it happens all in waves, guys. So it's not just going to be the first mover. Again, we saw Solana move first, then we saw Link, then we saw AVAX, and then we saw some of these AI coins start to move. A lot of the hype from the AI coins has died down, but I do think it's still going to be a massive narrative, guys, and we are all the way down, forming our bear market bottom. So 17 cents is going to be a price that we look back at in a year's time and we say, holy crap, how the hell did we not just go all in with GRT and a lot of these other AI based plays? So you can see we've got some short-term targets to that 30 cents and to 50 cents, I believe it is. Yeah, 51 cents. So we'll be trading that, but for the portfolios, guys, we're going to be aiming for a lot higher than this. But right now, you are getting a grand opportunity to be entering into GRT. What is number 4? Now with this one, it is a bit more risky, guys, but I'm going to be buying into the FUD. They have taken a lot of what the community feedback was, and they're trying to improve on it, guys. Okay, so this is something that you would want to see. A lot of projects, they would release poor tokenomics, and they would just say to the community, deal with it. Router, they actually are taking the feedback and trying to make some improvements on it. And the thing is, with a lot of these projects that get fudded, we saw what happened with ICP. There was a lot of FUD, and what happened? We're up 300% from the lows, guys. So this is going to be onboarding the next billion users to Web3 by destroying blockchain segregation. What a way to put it. But again, all of this you guys need to be reading into for yourself. And yes, there was a lot of FUD on this, so there's going to be mixed opinions. You guys can let me know if you still think this is a bad idea or you think there is some hope. But I do think that we are getting one last chance for Router to be getting in at a very decent price. Let's have a look at what the price action was over the past few weeks. So we broke out of this nearly year-long accumulation, guys, just for us to get fudded at the high. A lot of people, they're going to be quite upset because they would have been buying into this breakout. But what do I see? I see this recapture as an amazing opportunity, guys. And again, this is a bit more risky, and I'm giving you guys a bit more risk in today's video compared to some of the other coins that we do cover on the channel. But with this one, I think it's going to be in the AVAX ecosystem, which is going to flourish, and it's in the gaming niche as well. So, you know, if we can sort of clear out some of this FUD, they sort out the tokenomics, I do think that Root is still going to have an amazing bull market. And you can see that we did peak out at this $61 with a massive scam wick, basically. But I do think we could slowly start to fill up as the FUD dies down and as the team continues to develop and listen to the community feedback, guys. But right now, I'm seeing this recapture as my signal to enter. Now, last but not least, number 5 is actually one of the top 10 altcoins, guys. And it's actually printing something very similar to Casper's breakout. Boom, boom. It is Cardano. You guys already know that I am a big fan of Cardano. I speak about it a lot on this channel. However, we never really cover it that much. But Cardano, it's one of the big boys. And it's one of the big boys that's going to be making us some big returns. I mean, currently we're at 50 cents. All-time high being around $3.50. So that is a 7x away from where we are today. And I think we're going to be breaking through that $3.50 in the next bull run. Now, you can see I've got quite a messy chart on here, guys, but this is how much I have been buying Cardano. We were aiming for accumulation all in this area here, guys, and we traded the breakout as well. We've been getting Cardano from 24 cents, 30 cents, 40 cents, 45 cents, and now 50 cents, guys. If you can see here, we are breaking from this structure. So we are going to be heading to $1 very, very soon, guys. And again, not financial advice. Anything could happen. If Bitcoin decides to correct, we could be getting these lower levels. But with Cardano, I mean, when you look at it compared to where it was, guys, we have completed this major breakout and we're starting to retest this upper level as support rather than resistance. It makes me very bullish for Cardano. And again, if you guys don't have Cardano as one of your blue chips, then, you know, maybe you should start to think about it, because Cardano is one of my biggest blue chip holdings. I've now swapped Sol back for Cardano after Sol was going down. I mean, Sol was my biggest holding. I took a lot of profit, rolled it back into Cardano, and I'm sure this video is not going to pump my Cardano bag at all. But we will be trading this breakout, guys. This could get very tasty very soon. I mean, the next level of resistance is going to be around this 70 cents all the way to $1.20. So that is my 5 picks, guys. Let me know what your 5 picks would be. Would you include any of the coins that we covered today? Would it be completely different? You guys can let me know in the comments. And again, if you like this style of content, let me know. I can be creating more videos like this rather than your one-off crypto videos. You guys just have to smash that like button to let me know that you guys are enjoying it, and also engage with the post. Make sure you guys are commenting. But that's it. Let me know what you think. Until next time, it's BDBoy Lex Money. I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Bow.